We got a good courtroom. Have you been, obviously, you had third circuit, I went there yesterday, or?
Oh, the new one, CS, yeah.
Permission to enter the Queen's
Well,
Palace.
bad, but
All right. 34th District Court now in session. Honorable Judge Brian Oakley presiding.
Good morning, have a seat. Which one's Jabrowski?
Jabrowski is that one.
Mr. Dabrowski, your appearance for Al Jaheshi?
yes,
How do you say it? Close?
yes. Your Honor, he's not here yet. He's supposed to be.
Okay, good morning.
Public tickets that are in default. You asked the court to set them aside.
I don't have those.
You don't have the file because he wouldn't give me the file, but I have the case numbers and all that. It's the one.
Got that. You-
Did you notice, did your client here with you?
I'm sorry?
Is your client here with you?
Yes,
Okay, yeah, I'll grab you guys a notice in just a minute.
very well. Thank you.
Mr. Beck, counsel,
Peter.
where have you been? I haven't seen you in seems like decades.
5 years.
How are you?
Good, how are you?
I'm doing very well. Doing very well.
That's good. It's been a while. Well, you know, I've been locked up with COVID and all that BS, so.
It's a strange new world.
Huh?
Strange new world.
Oh, man, it's hard to get used to it. Although I tell you, it's nice because you don't have to go court to court, you know?
Yeah.
You jump in the office and then
You can actually get
one
some business.
computer to the next computer.
It's good to see you.
Good seeing you.
Hope I see you again before 5 years go by. All right, so the two that are in default were from the same incident date, I'm assuming?
There's three actually, but here's the numbers and thirdly, what they are, if you don't.
I think I got him.
Okay, yes.
Meeting, no.
B, C. Yeah,
You got the ROA on it?
I can give you.
It does look like they're all out of the same use of it.
Well, why should I set the defaults aside? He wasn't smart enough to hire you early.
It's the rest, Your Honor.
It's all good, but
Three.
So this would be the same on all of them.
Yeah, yeah. See the 12C and the 12B, we're going to quote them, set those aside, but I'd ask that they set aside the first one, which is 25 BPO.
That's the one that's really hurting him. I'll tell you what, I'll set that one aside, but he didn't show up for a hearing. It's not like he just didn't know what he was supposed to do. We gave him a notice and he didn't show up. So you can tell him the only reason he's getting one set aside is because my experience with you and I'm giving you a ball.
Thank you, Your Honor.
He hired the right attorney, he just didn't hire him timely enough. All right, so why don't you go back and talk to the prosecutor about that one, see if you can do some kind of global resolution on those two files? Yeah.
Brian Hightower.
Good morning, Mr. Jones, your appearance from Ms. Hightower.
Dr. John, P52920. Good morning to you and your incredible staff, including the Broncos.
You don't even live here.
I used to.
Don't underestimate the part.
I never do. Go ahead.
Your Honor, to tell you that the stage with Reno was so kind enough to give my client with no criminal history the opportunity to keep this off the record. The reason we're pleading no contest, as you know, is we're under heavy pressure by some mean lawyers on the East Coast for civil liability.
Yeah. All right. Ms. Hightower, did you discuss your rights with counsel?
Yes.
You understand those rights and the options presented? You understand the possible penalty for today's charge? And you understand that when you say no contest, you're literally saying, Judge, I'm not fighting the charge. You understand that? And if I could find a factual basis that supports your plea, then there'll be a sentencing. You understand that?
Yes.
And based on what I see on paper, the sentencing will be a delayed sentence. All right. In understanding all of this, are you pleading no contest freely and voluntarily?
Yeah.
All right. Counsel, I think there's enough facts in the remarks section of the appearance ticket.
I would stipulate to the same.
All right. I'll accept the plea. What should I know about the nice lady before I set the terms?
She was very nervous today, and teased, as you can see. She I tell her she's only 24 years old, she's retired from the auto industry, never been in trouble in her license. She's self-humiliated to no end.
All right, Smith Hightower, I've been doing this a long time. When I see some 20-year-old kid in front of me that's got a retail fraud, I don't have the same concerns I do when I see somebody your age. This was not normal behavior for you. There was something going on in your life. What was going on? Are you past it? I mean, you were stressed. You were dealing with some stressors back on August 11th, right? Have you talked about it, Mr. Jones?
We have talked about
Are
it.
you satisfied that she's got whatever help she needs?
Yeah, sometimes you have to get the people that just accept people feel a bit instead of ignoring it.
Yeah. Yeah.
We've talked before, hope it's not a strategy.
Right. But she's on it. She's got a plan. Okay. All right.
This is not what she wants to be associated with.
Yeah. Oh, I'm sure it's not.
Especially with grandchildren.
Yeah. Oh, that's a tough conversation, isn't it? Yeah. All right. Anything you want me to tell or anything you want to tell me before I sentence you? Oh, I got that. I can tell by looking at it, this ain't who she is. Yeah.
I gotta tell you, she's literally the most self-humiliating person I know.
Yeah. Well, give yourself some grace too. I mean, whatever was going on in August, just make sure you're dealing with it appropriately. All right. Okay. I'm a big fan of counseling. Huge fan of counseling. You know how much better the world would be if every adult had the time and money to sit down with a trained, objective listener once every 2 weeks for 50 minutes?
Judge Oakley talking about there's two types of people in the world. There's people who need help, there's people who get.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah, that's really true. That's really, because we're all broken. All right. Anything else? All right. Well, here's what we're going to do. You can keep your nose clean for another 6 months, right? Okay. So I'll delay sentence for that time period. I'm going to assess court costs of $300. Can you pay it today? Go down and see my cashier. She'll smile when she takes your money and then go away and sin no more forever. Have a nice day. Always a pleasure, Mr. Jones. Are you ready, Mr. Beck? Are you ready?
Is this an adjournment, Judge?
Oh, all right. Stay seated. She's just doing the paperwork. Love the shirt. Give me a name. Again?
Just
Oh, don't have it.
I have.
How about you?
He's a Spanish interpreter.
Yep.
Wait for the.
So we're not ready on his? All right. Does anybody have anything ready?
No attorneys.
Dion Harper the second. Mr. Harper, are you going forward today without an attorney? You made a deal with the prosecutor. Says here that you're going to plead guilty to added charge, no valid operator's license on person, and the prosecutor wants me to dismiss, drove while license suspended, and a registration or plate misdemeanor, both from January 1822. Is that your deal? Did you read your rights form?
Yes, sir.
You understood those rights?
Yes.
Understand the options given to you by those rights?
Yes.
And do you understand the possible penalty for this added charge?
Yes.
Understanding all of these things, are you pleading guilty to the added charge freely and voluntarily today? Did you drive a vehicle on that date in or near Wayne Metro Airport?
Yes.
And at that time, was your license suspended, revoked, or denied?
Years ago, like you can see.
All right, well, here's the problem I've got. I've got to know that your license was suspended, revoked, or denied at the time. Well, let me put it this way. On January 1822, did you have a valid license to show the officer that stopped you? That'll work.
Judge Gusser. Sir, driving without a license? You know why you're here. $600 fine and 4 days work program. Can you pay today? This isn't optional. Swain explains, apologetic and nervous, details work situation and prior mistakes. Tension builds as judge asserts authority.
Studio, and you just in front of the camera.
So like you're sitting on like a Zoom meeting type deal?
Yes.
Oh, interesting. All right, well, you're the first one of those guys I've met. How long you been doing that?
about a year now, since last September.
All right, and where you been since 2022? Just laying low?
This time, Rick,
Yeah. But you got all your license stuff straightened out.
Yeah.
All right, anything else you want me to know before I sentence you?
So I did kind of want to give some context to the situation. I was at work, working at the airport.
Who are you working for?
The FSM, the fueling.
Yep.
So, before work, I was going in and it was a parking spot that I was kind of waiting for. I didn't end up getting it, so I did another one, and when I'm going into work, I see the guy that was parking the parking spot, trying to make a gesture to him. So, again, I go into it. So anyway, I get off of work and my tire is flat. I'm like, here for security, for help, some type of investigation.
Right.
Some type of help. And this is where I'm at. This is where calling for help has brought me.
No, driving your car when you didn't have a license is what brought you here.
I mean, at a particular, I was just trying to ask.
Had you not driven your car there, you wouldn't have the ticket. Yeah.
That's
All right. Anything else? Okay. All right. Fines and costs for you, $600. And I'm ordering 4 days on the court work program. We schedule a work program as an alternative to jail. You pick which 4 days you're going to work, and then those days you have to be here at 8 o'clock in the morning. Can you pay the $600 today, or do you need to talk about options? Go downstairs, sign up for the work program, and talk about your options for payment. All set. Is it Zadeja White? One of these attorneys ready after.
Good morning, Judge.
Good morning. Okay.
I thought you had higher saying.
You have to educate him about that. All right, Miss White, did you discuss your rights with Mr. Gassiati? You understand those rights and the options they give you? You understand the possible penalty for allowing an unlicensed driver to operate? There better be another file somewhere. Oh, there it is. And understanding that possible penalty and the rights you have, are you in fact pleading guilty to that added charge today? Freely and voluntarily? Yes? All right. Did you drive a vehicle in Van Buren Township on July 7, 2005, while your license was suspended, revoked, or denied? Counsel satisfied? All right, it looks like the prosecutors agreed to dismiss all 3 of the original charges. And what should I know about Miss White before I sentence her on the added charge?
The car, the coffee shop right now, and very special to on her daily, but I'm shocked like many people and
All right, what's the status of your license now? Still suspended? You got it back. Good for you. Good for you. All right. Anything you want me to consider before I sentence you, Miss White? Nothing you have to tell me. I'm just giving you a chance if there's something you want to share. No magic answer.
Mr. Ballard.
All right, Miss White, fines and costs on your file, $500, and I'm ordering 4 days on the court work program. Work program was assessed as an alternative to jail. You pick which 4 days you work. Can you pay the $500 today, or do you need to talk about options? Go downstairs and talk about all that. Good luck. Jeffrey Swain? Good morning, Mr. Swain. Are you going forward today without an attorney? All right. Paperwork says that you're going to plead guilty to the added charge of allowing an unlicensed driver to operate. Is that correct? You understand the possible penalty for that charge? Did you read your rights form? You understand your rights and the options they give you? Understanding all that, are you pleading guilty to this charge freely and voluntarily today? Sir, did you drive a vehicle on March 21 in Van Buren Township?
Yeah.
Was your license suspended, revoked, or denied at the time? I'll accept your plea to the added charge and dismiss the original charge. What's the status of your license now, sir? Where at? Where at?
Real fast and
Oh, Mylan. Yeah, yeah, yeah. When are those coming up? Court dates?
is. I know. Probably between that and-
So sometime in November or sometime in December? Okay. All right. And is that the last court day you've got? Okay. And are you working? When's the last time you had a job? Where were you working then? Group home? Grupo. How long were you with Grupo?
Here.
Okay. Transportation, what's caused you not to work? Okay. Okay. Ouch. Okay. All right. So, best case scenario, you think those court dates are going to result in your license privileges being reinstated? So you'll think you have your license by December? All right. You owe us money on some other files in addition to the one I'm dealing with today. It looks like we've got an older Drovo license suspended from 2019 and a civil infraction probably from the same date. Those show a total of $1,106. Are you in a position to take care of that stuff or at least get a payment plan on it? Okay.
He owes money on others other than this?
I don't know what the speak is.
Yeah, see it. Do you owe us any money? You got 3 files with us open or you got more than that?
It should just be the 3, because that's what's coming up under.
Okay.
3,
Okay.
But
Yeah, I know I'm really getting stopped.
the one is on payment plan adjourned to pay October 22nd.
All right, so you got a payment coming up in a couple of weeks. All right. Anything else before I sentence you?
I don't need that back.
You just trash it, I guess. All right, so here's what we're gonna do on today's file. The other files, you got your payment plan, keep working that. All right, on today's file, I'm gonna have you schedule 4 days on the court work program. You heard me explain that? All right. On this file, your fines and costs are $565, or you show me a valid license between now and December 1, and I'll waive the money. So literally, I'll pay you $565 to bust your ass, get everything done so you can be driving legally by the 1st of December. Doable? All right. Merry Christmas. All right. Any questions? All right. Go downstairs and set up your work program. Have a good one. Good luck with those other courts. What do we got next, Joe?
There should be filed up to 30.
Najee? Counsel your parents.
Good morning, Your Honor. Mike Ramsay on behalf of Mr. Knight, number 54932.
All right, so if I'm reading this right, both the original charges are going to go away. He's going to plead to a added civil infraction, double parking. He's agreed to pay $400.
That is correct, Your Honor. He's able to, he not have any leniency on the cost and fines.
Not when it comes in an agreement.
I'll save my speech. Thank you.
All right, is that the way you want to resolve these, Mr. Najee? All right, I will accept your plea to the double parking. I'm going to do that on the civil infraction, Heather. Fine to cause $400. Both original charges dismissed. Can you pay the $400 today, sir? Go downstairs and that'll earn you a smile from the cashier. Have a lovely day, gentlemen.
Thank you very much, Your Honor.
You're welcome, counsel. Always a pleasure.
Very good to see you. Thank you.
Bakor?
Yep, right.
Good morning, counsel.
Morning, Judge. My name is Ali Mahmood. My P number is 73076. And whatever it is, a plea agreement for a double parking.
Yep.
An amendment to the original charge.
All right. So the plea agreement says I'm going to dismiss the misdemeanor after I take the plea to the added civil infraction. That's the way you want to resolve this, sir? And you've agreed to pay $250 fines and costs
Yes, sir.
today?
These 2 weeks, Judge.
Hmm. 17th?
Yes.
All right, understand if we don't get the money on or before the 17th, then the misdemeanor's back up. You got to deal with that.
Thank you, Judge.
Have a good day, gentlemen. Who's the attorney on Mascarino Rodriguez?
Oh,
That is not an attorney, it's just the interpreter, but
So-
they grabbed for another case.
Oh, okay.
I believe it's the.
You got something ready?
Alcouch, Gino Alcouch.
It's for an adjournment.
Okay, she's working on that. Adjournment? Oh, you want, yeah, did you talk to the prosecutor? Come on up.
She came back,
She told you what?
she came back in three.
Yeah, she wants me to dismiss the speeding now. That's a pretty good deal. All right. All right, so pronounce your last name. Al Jaheshi, right? All right. Did you discuss your rights with Mr. Podolsky? You understand those rights? You understand the options they give you? You understand the possible penalty for this added charge? Are you pleading guilty to the added charge freely and voluntarily today? All right. Did you drive a vehicle in Van Buren Township on August 7, 2025 while your license was suspended, revoked, or denied? Counsel, satisfied with the plea? So am I. What should I know about your client before I sentence?
He has a clean criminal record, though. We're not trying to straighten his driving. His life perfectly suspended. And I believe it's for too many points. There's no alcohol related offenses. I'd ask for, the court for finding costs on.
Okay. Are you working, sir?
Yeah, I'm working my bed.
What business are you in?
We have like a junkyard mechanic kind of,
Okay, where at?
it's a bit short.
All right, so you're pulling parts, that kind of stuff? Okay, all right. How old are you?
Amazing.
Okay, you got about 2 more years and you can use young and dumb as an excuse for bad driving. After that, any light at the end of the tunnel, counsel? When do you think you might have him valid?
It looks like he's eligible to get his license January,
Okay, not too far off then.
plus the abstract. No points on the certificate.
Yeah. Yeah, this one shouldn't hurt him.
About the speeding ticket.
Right, right.
Result in him being able to get his.
A little earlier? Well, we can keep our fingers crossed. All right, you got that dismissal?
I will.
That's the only place it's gonna be that paid.
Oh, yep.
All right. All right, fines and costs, I'm gonna do $550. I am gonna order 4 days on the court work program as an alternative to jail. Can you pay $550 today or do you need some options?
Actually, Your Honor, that's, total, the outstanding ticket that you're talking about, 1,001. And I think you could pay 250 today.
Go downstairs and set up some kind of payment plan. Just get it done. All right. Good luck with your license. That's the interpreter.
I got a lot of work for you.
Jeff.
This is Trovius right now. Oh, it's an adjournment. Never mind.
Adjournment. Mr. Sharif, just stay where you're at. We're gonna get you. Oh, you're not Mr. Sharif. You just stick where you're at. We're gonna get you an adjournment. We don't even put that on the record, Mr. Starr. Yeah.
That was my fault. Burnell, I think if you scratch, I'll pull.
B, Burnell,
Burnell, yeah.
or how about Burrell?
Burrell, yes.
Yeah,
I'm gonna be-
That's a plea?
Yeah, so.
Burrell.
Good morning, Your Honor.
Good morning, sir.
Thank you, sir. Your Honor, today's date and time said in this matter, form of reading stand, you We've also had a chance to pre-try this case, Your Honor, and have prosecution, have with Mr. Burrell. You have a subject for approval. We had agreement, Mr. Burrell, would guilty to an added count.
Yep.
Reading all this, with the understanding, the agreement with the charge was dismissed.
All right, Mr. Burrell, did you discuss your rights and options with Mr. Bowditch? You understood all those rights and the options I gave you? Did you discuss the possible penalty for this added charge? Understanding all of that, are you pleading guilty to the charge freely and voluntarily today? Did you drive a vehicle July 29, 23? And was that in Van Buren Township after you consumed alcohol? Was there a breath test or data master? What do we have?
Probably a blood test. Your Honor.
All right. Anybody tell me what it was?
Yes, Your Honor.
Go ahead. All right. All right, I will accept the plea and dismiss both of the original charges.
Your Honor, the reason for this generous plea on that breath was all, this is a 23 case since then, he's been rehab as an officer.
Where at? Where you rehabbing? Oh, good program. Good program. So how many days you got? Really? Really? Good for you. Good for you. That's great. All right. All right. So here's what we're going to do. I'm going to send him downstairs to probation. Has he been arraigned?
Wait for reading.
It looks like he's been arraigned. Let's see anything about a bond. Okay. Yeah. He's posted a cash bond. All right. So I'm going to send you downstairs. You're going to meet with the probation people at the counter, and you're going to schedule to come back for a probation interview. Then you'll come back for a sentencing date. They'll tell you when that is too. And then you'll get a chance to look at the report probation prepares. You'll be able to go over it with Mr. Bowditch. I'll look at it, and then we'll have another conversation before I decide what your sentence is. Understood? Questions? All right. Bond is continued. Have a great day. I don't know what we're going to do all this. Hang on to them, see if anybody wants them, I guess. Pizarro. Just like it sounds. Pizarro. 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 Okay. Well, who's this lady? What's your name? Pizarro. Yeah. Okay. Go ahead.
Your Honor, for the record, Jeff Bowditch appearing on behalf of this Pizarro. That was sister. It's out of her name for the record. This young lady, did you get to judge your name?
Rosabelle Brown.
Your Honor, this young lady, we haven't executed it. This young lady is going to act as the interpreter with the court's permission.
Not for a plea. She's not a certified interpreter. I think we've got one. What's the language? We've got him here. I mean, for an arraignment, sure, I'll use a family member, but for a plea, I have to use a certified interpreter. But we've got him. We've got him. So it shouldn't be much of a delay. Just let your mom know what's going on.
Judge, I can give the interpreter for
Well, is this?
Let Mr. Bowditch deal with that. I don't want to take up my courtroom time for that.
Your sister. Your Honor, we can go.
All right, sir, raise your right hand. Do you swear or affirm do you swear or affirm to accurately translate between English and Spanish, Spanish and English so we can discuss this file today? Let her know what we talked about.
Your name?
My name, for the record, Eric Heisley. I'm the interpreter.
All right, Mr. Heisley, let Ms. Pizarro know what we just discussed.
You're, okay, you actually,
Ma'am, did you discuss your rights and options with Mr. Bowditch?
Yeah.
Was it daughter?
Sister.
Sister. Did your sister help translate so you understood what you were discussing?
Jane,
Right. Did you also discuss the possible penalty for the charge? Did you understand that? Understanding all of this, are you pleading guilty to that charge freely and voluntarily today? On August 12, 2025, did you drive a vehicle in Van Buren Township?
Yeah.
Was your license valid?
No, Your Honor. She actually did allow it, but
She actually did that. Huh. Did you let somebody drive your car? Did they have a license? Satisfied? What should I know about Ms. Pizarro before I sentence?
she was with her, Sandy. We're going to adjourn his case, who's just out of process now, getting the license. They both, I think,
Anything you want me to know before I sentence you?
No.
Fines and costs, $300. Can you pay that today?
Yeah.
Mr. Heisey, if you could help her through that cashier process, that would be nice. Eduardo Quinones, Quinoness. Mr. Heisey, just let the gentleman know that we're going to get a piece of paper for a new date. Jeffrey Green. All right, what is this file up here? There's no plea agreement with it?
Let me see. Okay.
Williford? Where are these files?
Yes.
Mr. Williford, are you going forward today without an attorney? Mr. Williford?
Yes.
Are you going forward today
Yes,
without
can you hear
an
me?
attorney?
Yes.
You've talked to the prosecutor, correct?
Yes.
And you've decided you're going to plead guilty to the charge from June 23, 25?
Yes.
You understand your rights and the options those rights give you?
Yes.
You understand the possible penalty?
Yes.
Understanding all of that, are you pleading guilty freely and voluntarily today?
Yes.
On that date, did you try to take some merchandise from a store without paying for it at the airport?
Yes.
What was the merchandise?
A pair of headphones.
I will accept your plea. Are you working?
No.
When's the last time you worked?
Beginning of this year.
So it's been 10 months?
Yes, due to the current layoffs with the government.
Okay, so who were you working with?
Workforce development program in Philadelphia as a program manager.
How long had you been with the company?
5 years.
All right. Anything else you want me to consider before I sentence you?
No, Your Honor.
Fines and costs on the file, $550. Can you pay that online today?
No.
When?
I believe within 2 weeks I should be able to, or a payment plan will suffice.
I want a due date. So tell me when you can pay $550.
Hold on, can I open my calendar? Let's see. I want to say the first of the month of November, the 1st of November.
First Friday is the 7th. That's plenty of time.
Yes.
You won't get more. Good luck.
Thank you.
He's in here. The attorney's here.
Green. Good morning.
Deanna Philippi, 8237 on behalf of Mr. Green. Take it to the board.
Good morning. All right, I understand that Mr. Green is going to plead guilty to the charge from October 29, 24.
Due to lack of memory.
Okay, all right. So, Mr. Green, you understand your rights and options after talking to counsel? And you understand the possible penalty, yes?
Yeah.
No, yeah? Yes or no?
Yeah.
Okay. And do you understand that when you say no contest, you're literally saying to me, Judge, I'm not fighting the charge against me. That means if I can find the facts that support the plea, you'll be sentenced. Do you understand all that?
I pick up a lot of scratches, sir. So
Okay. Did you understand what I said? Okay. Are you pleading no contest freely and voluntarily? Counsel, I'll be ready when you are. Step back. Michael
yeah.
Matos Marina.
Good morning, Your Honor.
Good morning.
Spanish interpreter.
Raise your right hand. Do you swear or affirm that you will accurately translate between Spanish and English, English and Spanish so we can discuss this file today?
I do.
All right, let him know what we talked about. Sir, are you going forward today without an attorney?
Yes.
Looks like you met with the prosecutor and you've agreed to plead responsible to a third charge of double parking. Is that correct?
Yes.
Looks like you've also agreed to pay $230 fines and costs on that file. Is that also correct? Can you pay that today? All right, I will accept your plea to the third charge, the added charge. I will dismiss both of the original charges that were issued to you. I'll send you fellas downstairs to deal with the cashier.
Thank you.
You're welcome. You're welcome. Counsel, we think we're ready now?
Yes, Judge, Mr. Green just wants to set a matter for trial.
Okay. Mr. Green, you understand that you have the right to a bench trial or a jury trial? You understand the difference? All right, what do you want? Okay. Yep.
I can make sure it's a good date for you. But yeah, okay.
For House Counsel too.
Yeah, you're fine. Okay.
All right.
Mia Dixon.
Madam Judge, can you tell him he has fingerprint order?
That's not, doesn't apply now. Yeah.
Who is this, I'm sorry?
Dixon. First name Mia. Good morning. Are you going forward today without an attorney? All right. You've agreed to plead responsible to a civil infraction, double parking, correct? You've agreed to pay fines and costs of $400, also correct? And the prosecutor wants me to dismiss both of the original charges that were issued to you on July 29. That's the way you want to resolve this today? All right. Let's do it on the B file, Heather. And Miss Dixon, can you pay that $400 today? Go downstairs and talk about your options with them. If the money doesn't get paid, then these misdemeanors are back up on your, to need to be dealt with. Understood? Any questions? All right, you're all set. Go downstairs.
Judge, I got Mr. Coach, we're ready.
What's the name?
Coach, Ali Hussein, Coach, Your Honor.
Files over there. It's in German.
Oh, just an adjournment? Just an adjournment, counsel. I don't put those on the record.
Three, by Mala.
Adjournments?
Please. Civil action.
Are those his?
I got our cool is what.
Yeah, no problem. All right, we're pulling files.
I got some one.
Where's the dockets?
I can just
Doug. Is it, where are you scratching at?
scratch it here.
Let me have
Oh, shoot, I didn't see here.
it. ARK, what's the spelling?
Wait, oh, I already scratched that one.
Okay, what's the next
In
one?
the poll.
I'll give it. I'll give it.
Scratch out poll.
For Mr.
There's a few.
All right, counsel, on Akub? Akub? Counsel, your appearance.
I'm not, Your Honor.
Oh, you're not. Oh, I'm sorry. Sir, you're going forward today without an attorney? Are you going forward today without an attorney?
Yeah.
I understand. ARKOUB. I understand you're pleading responsible to an added charge of double parking, correct?
Yes.
And you've agreed to pay fines and costs of $400, yes? Can you pay that today? I will dismiss the misdemeanor charge that was issued to you on August 26, 25. Go on downstairs. The cashier will smile when she takes your money. You're welcome. Mala,
Yes, Your Honor.
your appearance, counsel.
We want to use that on our other movies. It's one where they're going to smile. Do you know the part of
Good morning.
Brady got away from Maurice that you, there's an offering to submit from the prosecutor, we would like to, help with that.
All right. I understand you're going to plead responsible to an added charge of double parking. You've agreed to pay $400 fines and costs, correct? Can you do it today? Awesome. I have dismissed the Drovall license or the registration or plate violation misdemeanor that was issued to you. I'll send you downstairs to get a smile from the cashier. You're welcome. Anthony Sheen. Counsel, you had a good schedule today. Yeah.
We want to use that on our.
Good morning.
For purpose of rent away from Maurice and you.
Yeah. All right, Mr. Sheen, you're going to plead responsible to an added double parking, and you've agreed to pay $400 fines and costs, correct? Can you do it today? Wonderful. You go downstairs. I think she still has more smiles for you. You're welcome. Misdemeanors dismissed. And another Shaheen.
Good morning. Please call the Good morning, Wait for Maurice and
Thank you. Sir, you've agreed to pay $400 fines and costs and plead responsible to double parking. Can you pay that today? Wonderful. Go on downstairs. Misdemeanors dismissed.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Have a nice day, gentlemen.
Well.
I didn't even look. I'm assuming it was probably just this family.
Okay,
Okay,
that makes a lot of sense.
Hey, Joe. This one's still waiting to get to the fines license. Is that what we were waiting for now? Are all of you waiting for your attorney
Or adjournments.
or adjournments? Right, nobody's talking to me. You, what do you want?
Here with no, this,
I'm representing, we're ready to have our plea.
What's the name? Plea forms go to him, not her.
Try to give it.
Crossroads.
it's going to be no terms.
Counsel, your appearance for Riggs.
Good morning, Judge. John Grassi, P number 43387, appearing on Mr.
Judge snaps. Retail fraud? Again? On July 18th and July 10th? Mr. Riggs explains difficult circumstances, homelessness, alcohol problems. Judge frustrated but compassionate. I'll dismiss one file, but you owe $145 plus restitution and 4 days on work program. Stay out of trouble or jail is next.
5-9. All right, Mr. Riggs, did you discuss your rights with counsel?
Yes.
You understand those rights and the options they present?
Yes.
And do you understand the possible penalty for the charge of retail fraud?
Yes.
All right, understanding this, are you pleading guilty freely and voluntarily to 2 charges of retail fraud today?
Yes.
All right, let's start with the file I've got open. July 18, 2025, were you in Van Buren Township?
Yes.
Looks like you were at Myers?
That's correct.
All right, and did you try to take some merchandise out of the store that day without paying for it?
Yes.
Satisfied, counsel? All right, what was the merchandise?
So a couple of electronics and some clothing.
All right, and then we've got another file from July 10, 2025. On that day, at that day, were you at Myers?
Yes, Your Honor.
And did you try to take some merchandise out of the store without paying for it?
Yes.
And what was the merchandise that day? All right, I'll accept your plea on both files. I'll dismiss the third file. All right, are you working?
Yes, Your Honor.
Where?
At a factory called Risha in Saline, Michigan.
How long you been at Freesia?
13 and a half years.
All right. So drugs, alcohol, gambling, what are you retail frauding for?
Well, a little bit of alcohol problem, and I was homeless for a little while, and I was just going through
So why electronics? You're stealing food, that makes sense to me.
just trying to get money for it. He broke up with his girlfriend and didn't have much of a support mechanism.